O3 Plus Vitamin C Bridal Facial Kit is a go-to solution for a glowing skin. Just 10 simple steps and it's done. Begin the facial by using Vitamin C cleanser on the damp face and rinse off thoroughly. Next step is microdermabrasion facial peel. Apply it on the face to gently exfoliate the skin and rinse off. Next step is vitamin C tonic. Apply the tonic on the face and let it get absorbed into the skin. Now follow up with the vitamin C massage cream to lift up the face. Next step is brightening mask. Apply the mask on the face and leave it undisturbed for up to 10 minutes and wipe off. Now mix the facial power mask 20-30 gel and powder and apply it on the face and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and peel off. After the mask, apply vitamin C sheet mask and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes and peel off. Now, apply the vitamin C serum and let it get absorbed into the skin. Finish the facial by using brightening cream SPF 30 for complete facial protection.